Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Perfect. Today in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted text messages on Android phone. Many times our important messages are deleted. So today I'll show you how to get the message back. You can see this is my Play Store. Now click on. You can see this is my search bar. Now search here an application. That application name is SMS Backup. Now search here SMS Backup. Search here. So I'm gonna suggest you which apps to use. This application is click on. First you install it. Now it will be processing. Click on. Click on get started. Tap on allow. Click on allow. Click on click. Click on set up a backup. What would like to backup? Click on message. Click on next. Where would you like to store your message? Your phone. Click on. Configure local backup location. Click on your folder. Click on allow. Click on OK. Click on next. Are you sure you want to create a local backup only? You may lose the backup files if your phone gets lost or damaged. Do not remind me again. Click on yes. Click on daily. Now click on backup now. Click on view details. Now I will look for my deleted message. Finally we are able to get the message back. If you like the video, you must subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching my videos.